One, you go.
Yeah, so welcome to our project on the soil sensor or soil moisture sensor. So as you see here, we have the setup for our project, and then on the screen you can see there's some reading on our serial monitor, okay, detecting that the soil is wet, and then the level of the moisture, okay. So as you see here in our serial monitor, and then there's the code, okay. So this is how it's been programmed. So we'll start with the setup. By the setup, you can see we have Arduino board, we have this sensor circuit board, we have the soil moisture probe or sensor, and then have some dry and then wet soil. Actually, just the wet soil is fine. I decided to experiment with the dry soil. So we have some water to also do some experiments. Okay, so let's look at the setup. So this is the Arduino Uno. Okay, we would need some number of jumper wires, and then as you see here, we have this jumper wire. Okay, that's the female to female jumper wires. Okay, and then for our sensor here, so we connect it to our circuit board sensor. Okay, as you see here, connect to these two values or two pins here, and then we have the other female to male. Okay, as you see here, female to male. Now on the female, so this is it. Okay, so you can see, you actually can see, but each pin has its corresponding should I say value or pin. Okay, so we have the one here is an AO, that's an analog. This is it's a DO digital pin. We have the ground and then the VCC. So we have to connect them to our Arduino board just so the project works. Okay, so to do that, let's see. So let me get some components. Uh, so I need some jumper wires. Just look for 3 jumper or 4 jumper wires. Okay, so I have the jumper wires. Okay, and then I'm going to connect them. Let's use or better still, let me just explain from this. Okay, so this particular one, which is this pin, okay, which is our AO, okay, I'm going to connect it to our analog here, as you see here, our analog AO on the Arduino board. So it's connected to our AO on the Arduino board, okay, which is the green one. And then the digital, which is the DO on the board, okay, is connected to our RX, which is a digital O on our Arduino board. Okay, as you see here, so connected, okay, to this, which is the second one, starting from our right. And then the next one, which is the yellow cable, okay, is connected to our ground. Okay, so here we also have the ground here, so it's connected to our ground here, as you see here, which is the yellow jumper wire. Then our VCC is connected to our volts. Okay, that's the 5 volts. So basically, this is the setup. Just make sure everything is well connected, and then everything should run smoothly. Okay, so that said, I'm going to explain the code. You can pause it.